Use modified Euler method to solve dy by dx equals to x minus y square. Use modified Euler's method to solve dy by dx equals to x minus y square, given that y of 0 equals to 1. Y of 0 equals to 1. To calculate y of 0.4, to calculate y of 0.4, taking h is equals to 0.2, taking h is equals to 0.2. Now tell me which ordinate we have been asked to evaluate, y1 or y2 or y3 or y4.
Y2.
Okay,
Y2.
y2, because y2 will be the ordinate corresponding to x2, right? And my x2 will be, I'll start from 0 because I've given initially y of 0 equals to 1. So x naught is 0. Okay. And we have given h is to be 0.2. So x1 will be 0 plus 0.2, right? That is 0.2. And again, when we add 0.2 into 0.2, that will be 0.4. And at that point only, we have been asked to evaluate the value of y. So corresponding to x2 will be having y2. तो हमें y2 करना है evaluate using modified Euler. So start करो आप one by one. First of all, calculate y1 with the help of Euler's and then check the modifications in Euler's to fix the value of y1. And then with the help of that y1, get the value of y2. Fast. Ask me if any doubt. Kunal Gaikwad, unmute your mic please. Kunal. Kunal, unmute your mic. Kunal Gaikwad, are you there? Niranjan? Niranjan. Niranjan Kangane, unmute your mic please. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kunal, Niranjan, any one of you? Unmute your mic please. No. No response. Prathamesh Daske. Prathamesh. Prathamesh,
Hello. Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the function value here given? What is f of xy?
F of x, y. X minus y square.
X
Y
minus
square.
y square. And what are the initial conditions?
Uh, one. X 0 y 1
x0.
y 1.
What is the value of x0?
X 0.
I think Prathamesh, this concept is not clear, right? And I was calling yesterday also. You were not there in the lecture, right, Prathamesh?
Yesterday, no, sir. I was disconnected. Two lectures that happened.
But you were there in the meeting
Sir,
yesterday.
but sir, the Wi-Fi was disconnected, so the mobile network is not that strong, sir. There are problems with the mobile network.
But if you have any doubt with the concept, you can ask, na? Why don't
I
you
will
ask
ask
then?
to my friends today.
You will ask. When?
Yes, sir. I will
After the
clear my
exam?
doubt. No, sir. Today I will ask to my friends. Like yesterday.
Hope so.
Yes, sir.
Pratik Shirsagar. Pratik. Pratik, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
What is the first formula of Euler to get the first ordinate?
Actually, I didn't attend yesterday's lecture.
But I think we have discussed this Euler's method in day before yesterday, not yesterday. Hmm? प्रतीक
Yes, sir. I will see.
कैसे होगा फिर? हम्म ठीक है.
Sir, I will see.
संकेत वाळुंज, are you there, Sanket?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay. So what is the formula? Euler's formula to start this solution. Euler's first
Sir,
formula.
sorry, sir, I don't know the concept. I also was absent for 2 lectures.
For 2 lectures. Now it's your duty to get it clear from me or from your friend or from anywhere. You can ask to me later.
Yes, sir,
Sanket.
sure, sir. Yes, yes.
Shreyas Dikshit.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Shreyas.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, for the y1 value, now I have calculated for up to third prime. So only 2 decimals are coming, means up to 2 decimal only the value is coming equal. So should I go further or should I go for y2 now?
We're not getting the same value up to 4 decimal.
No, sir. I have calculated
No, sir,
for
up
4
to only
times.
2 decimal it is.
Continuously.
To third prime, third modification.
Yes, sir.
Just check one more modification for y1 and check.
सर टिल
सर
फोर्थ
y4
मॉडिफिकेशन we
तक
get the
y4 तक कैलकुलेट किया है फिर भी नहीं आ रहा
थ्री
हाँ, फिर
डेसिमल
भी
से
नहीं आ रहा
मारता
है.
है सिर्फ लास्ट डेसिमल इज डिफरेंट
हाँ
3 decimals. Okay. So consider them 3 decimal places
ओके
in that
सर
case. So what is the value of y1 then? Y1 is equals to actually I have the value of y1 to be 0.8481
So 0.8480 आ रहा है बस.
that I have calculated up to sixth decimal. Sorry, fifth modification. Up to fifth modification. For 4 decimal places actually. I'm considering the 4 decimal places to be the standard one, so that I'll terminate the process till until I'll get the same value up to 4 decimal places. So I'll suggest to consider the 4 decimal places only, because it will not mention in the examination up to 4 decimal or up to 3 decimal, but in standard way we'll consider up to 4 decimal places. So just check for 2 more ordinates, 2 more modifications. Okay, and check whether the value of y1 is 0.8481 or what. 8481. Is it clear, Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, I'm waiting for Shreyas Dikshit. He's there in the meeting, but he's not replying. No, but Nehul, sorry. Up to fifth, it is 0.84808. Okay, so you can round it off to 81. But at least 2 values you should get same, so that you can fix that value, isn't it? Because you're saying for fifth, it is 84803. So is it the same value for fourth modification? Then you can fix this value. Otherwise, you have to go for one more modification. Is it clear, Nehul? Nehul Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Shreyas is saying my mic is unmuted. You can, your mic is unmuted. Then I'm not hearing your voice. I don't know what the problem is. Vikram Garje. Vikram. Vikram Garje. Are you there? Okay, so right, Prajwal. That means
Yes, sir.
For fifth, we are getting 0.84808, isn't it? When we round it off, we'll get 8481. And for sixth modification also, we are getting 0.84807. So by rounding, we'll get it to be 81, right? So these two values are same, and therefore we can fix it as a 0.8481 as our first value of ordinate. Clear, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
So the value of first ordinate to be 0.8481. Now use this value to get the correct value of second ordinate. That is what the required ordinate actually, y2. Let me ask to someone else also. Jayesh Rathod. Are you there, Jayesh Rathod? Okay, Harshal Golhar. Harshal, unmute
Yes,
your mic.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what will be the next formula now to find the value
For
of y?
y2,
Mhm.
y2, y1 plus h f of x1, y1.
X1, y1, and
Huh.
the y1
Modified
value,
formula.
last
Huh.
modified value of y1, right? That is
Hmm.
0.8481.
8481.
Now find the modifications in y2 also. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Khushi, unmute your mic, please. Khushi Bait.
Yes, sir.
So what is the first modified value of y2? Okay, first of all, tell me the value of y2 from Euler's. Keep your mic unmuted, Khushi, and tell me the value of y2 by Euler's.
Uh, y1, y1
Value
plus
I'm asking, not formula. Khushi, you're still calculating the value. Vedangi Thakur. Vedangi,
Yes, sir.
what is value of y2 by Euler's?
So just a second, I'm calculating it.
Sir, do we need to change the value of x? Because here we want to find 0.4,
Which
no?
x? Which x? X1, you're asking?
Yes.
X1 will be x naught plus h, na? So we'll have to change, of course. X1 will be x naught plus h. X naught is 0 and h is 0.2. So x1 will be 0.2 now.
But sir, in the question it is given to find for x equal to 0.4.
X equals to point. So that will be x2, na? Isn't it? And we are
Okay,
finding the
okay.
y2 value at x2, na? So that will be 0.2 plus 0.2, 0.4. And that is what we have asked to find. The value of y at x is equal to 0.4. That is correct. Right? So x2 will be 0.4.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Hmm. Vedangi,
Sir, I'm getting 0.74424.
but it's too far from my answer.
Sir, mine also is same, 74424.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of y1 you have considered? Y1 to be 0.8481.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
0.8481.
And what is the function value f of x1, y1?
Sir, it's minus 0.51927.
For me, it is 0.31927.
Just checking. I
0.5193.
have minus 0.5193.
Yes, sir. By rounding off 7,
Ah,
we'll get the same, no?
minus 0.5. So someone is saying 0.3. That is wrong. Please check once. X minus y square, x minus y square. So minus 0.5193. Just use this value. I'm having the value of y2 by Euler. It is 0.7962. 79 and 74. It's too much difference. इतना तो नहीं चाहिए. Just check again the calculations. Vedangi and all. Check your calculations.
Sir, I tried 2 times, but I'm getting the same answer.
Yes, sir. It is 74424.
H is 0.2, right? Something is wrong. What is the wrong in calculation? And what is the value of x1 we have considered here? X1 to be 0.2, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if we consider x1 equal to 0.4, then answer it is 0.7842. It is also different.
No, but x1 will be 0.2 only, not 0.4. X1. Let me. Actually, I don't have the calculator. Y1. Okay. X0 is 0. X1 will be 0.2. Y0 is 1. Y1 we have fixed it to be 0.8481. H is given to be 0.2. Okay, X2 will be 0.4 and corresponding Y2 we have asked to evaluate. So Y2 will be equals to by Euler Y1 plus H times f of x1 y1. So function of, okay, we'll directly substitute the values. Y1 is 0.8481 plus 0.2 function. What is the function given? F of xy is it visible? It's not visible. F of xy is x minus y square. So x1 minus y1 square, that is 0.8481 plus 0.2. X1 is 0.2 minus y1 का square. Y1 is 0.8481 square, and you are getting it to be, yes, कितना आ रहा है इसका value? Just check this calculation. Are these values correct?
Yes, sir.
So
This
how much
value is 0.74424.
74424. Okay. Everyone, please reply. Are you getting the same value by Euler? अगर किसी को different आ रहा है,
Yes, sir.
7, 9, हाँ, yes.
Same value.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Then we'll fix this value. There may be the calculation mistake. Anyway, so let us check the modifications in this value, y2. Ready? Everyone, please ask if any doubt with this. So first modification is y1 prime, sorry, y2 prime. Y2 prime will be y1 plus h times or h by 2 times f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2. Clear? Right? Y1 plus h by 2 times f of x1 y1 plus f of x2. We have f of x1 y1 value. F of x1 y1. Or calculate these values. F of x1 y1 is x1 minus y1 का square. इसको calculate करो. Then f of x2 y2 will be equals to x2 minus y2 का square. So what is x2? X2 is 0.4 and y2 is 0.74424. Okay.
Sir, final answer is 0.7586.
Y2 prime का?
No, sir, I was going for fourth and 0.7586 is coming common.
By successive modifications.
Yes, sir.
मतलब कितने प्राइम तक आपने फाइंड आउट किया?
Fourth.
4 प्राइम तक. Okay.
So y2 is 0.7582.
Okay, let me
Y2 double prime.
Y2 is 0.75886.
86.
Okay, let's see the others reply too. Everyone please reply with your answer. How much you are getting? यहाँ तो पूरा कैलकुलेशन ही गलत हो गया क्योंकि
सर तुम्ही तिथं y2 ची व्हॅल्यू लिहिली आहे 0.756.
हाँ that is what he's saying ना y2 y2
Sir,
the
but
fixed
it is
value है. हाँ sorry
it's of f of x to y2 व्हॅल्यू ना.
no actually आता कोणीतरी सांगितलं मला y2 ची व्हॅल्यू आफ्टर फोर मॉडिफिकेशन्स ती फक्त इथं लिहिली मी. दॅट इज नॉट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ f of x to y2. क्लिअर? ही फक्त व्हॅल्यू चेक करा तुमची 4 मॉडिफिकेशन्स नंतर. एनिवेज व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ f of x1 y1? x1 y1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय होती? f of x1 y1 इज मायनस समथिंग ना, मायनस 0.5. yes
51927.
51927. f of x2 y2 इसका कितना था?
minus 0.2340.
f of x2 y2 is also negative. Minus 0.23.
Zero.
Sorry. Once again. 0.23.
40.
40. Okay. So with the help of this f of x1 y1 and x2 y2 substitute here, and that will be the first modification. तो first modification check करो एक बार कितना आता है. So with these values, what will the value of first modification in y2? First. What is the value of first modification in y2? I believe that everyone is doing the calculation.
0.7728.
7728. Okay. That is the first modification. Now use this first modified value to find the second modification, that is y2 double prime is equals to y2 plus h by 2 function at x1 y1 plus function at x2 y2 double prime. Chalo. I think here it is y1, na? y1, sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me the final value of y2 double prime. Second modified value of y2. Actually, अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि y2 is not 0.7962, then ये first modified value तो correct है मेरे पास 0.7728. How is it possible then?
So I did a mistake. I took 0.2 or 0.4.
0 point?
I took 0.2 instead of 0.4 in some place.
Where?
In modified values, I took 0.2.
नहीं, but किसका value लिया आपने?
Sir, for the equation of f of x2 y2.
That is 0 point minus 0 point.
Sir, I did some wrong calculations over here.
Okay, okay. Because that is the correct value actually I'm having. y2 prime का value मेरे पास भी है 0.7728. एक बार बाकी के भी लोग चेक करो यार, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है.
Sir, my value for f of x2 y2 is minus 0.1538.
1538.
Yes, sir, mine also. And I got y2 first prime as 0.7808.
Same.
1538.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so y2
Right.
prime
0.7808.
7808. Okay.
Yes, sir.
जल्दी जल्दी modified values find out करो and tell me what is the final fixed value. कहाँ तक आ रही है वो? And that is the required answer actually. So this example may ask for 5 to 6 marks in this 2019 pattern because it is up to second step, isn't it? So that is the lengthier one also. So it may ask, but that is not difficult, very easy. जल्दी करो, हमें आगे का भी मेथड पढ़ना है फिर. We have left only 10 minutes or not?
Is it 0.7752?
For second ordinate, second modification,
Yes.
or the final fixed value?
Yes, sir. 0.7752 for second prime.
0.7752. What is the third prime?
0.7760.
0.7760. Okay. And then fourth?
0.7759.
Now it is coming near to it.
So
Fifth
we
one,
have to calculate again fifth one also.
yes, of course, because these values still not same ना. अगर इसके आगे अगर 5 है या more than 5 है, then by rounding off it will be
So for the fourth one, it is 0.77597.
597. So that is okay now. So that will be by rounding, it will be 0.7760. So we can fix it as a 0.7760.
Okay.
And that is our final value. Y at x is equal to 0.4 will be 0.7760. Everyone, please check your calculations and these values. Okay, good. So shall we proceed with the next method now? Yes? Hello? Please reply.
Sir, in exam also we have to do this much modifications.
Yes, yes, of course. Till until we'll get the same decimal places. But don't worry, the proper judgment for marks will be also there. Isn't it? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि इतने ज़्यादा calculations भी है and question will be for 3 to 4 marks. ऐसे नहीं होगा, उतने marks भी हो गए आपको, तो उतना आपको time देना पड़ेगा उसको. Clear? So the next method is RK method. That is the fourth one. ऑयलर साहब ने एक फॉर्मूला फाइंड आउट किया, लेकिन उसमें भी उनको मॉडिफिकेशन लगे, इसलिए उन्होंने मॉडिफाइड ऑयलर मेथड का ये किया, इन्वेंशन किया. बट ये आर के साहब आए और वो बोले कि फिर मेरे पास और एक फॉर्मूला है जिससे मैं करेक्ट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकता हूँ. सो व्हाट द आर के मेथड इज? आर के मेथड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन 2 पार्ट्स, फॉर सेकेंड ऑर्डर and fourth order, and in between these two the fourth order is very, very important. Now what the second order method is, so he have started with the modified Euler formula only. By modified Euler formula, first suppose if we consider the first modification in first ordinate, that is y1 prime, then what is the first modification? That is y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1, right? Now that is nothing but h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus, if we substitute the value of y1 by Euler, what is y1 by Euler? Y1, the first value is y1 is equals to y naught plus h f of x naught y naught, right? यही है ना, इसी को सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं ना फर्स्ट ऑर्डिनेट में हम, फर्स्ट मॉडिफिकेशन में, राइट?
Yes.
So I'll substitute that value there. So f of x1 comma y naught plus h f of x naught y naught, ये मैं यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूँ. isn't it? And then you have multiplied by h inside, so y naught plus 1 by 2 h f of x naught y naught plus h f of ये x1 comma y naught plus h f of x naught y naught. And then you have claimed that this is my k1 value and this is k2 value, the whole thing, k1, k2, and then he have fixed his first ordinate value to be y naught plus k1 plus k2 by 2. And since there are two k's, therefore it says second order RK method. If we have 4 k's, such 4 k's, then that will be a fourth order RK method. So if we ask to evaluate, or if we ask to find the solution using the second order RK, then you'll have to find these 2 k's first of all, and then substitute the average of these 2k here. Sorry, here it is plus. Average of these 2k here, that will be, that average plus y naught will be the first ordinate value. That's it. इतना ही है second order में. So therefore, by RK method for second order, the solution of first ordinate will be y naught plus 1 by 2 times k1 plus k2. Okay, and if we want to find the second ordinate, तो second ordinate क्या होगा? Okay, first of all, let me write the value of k1. What is k1 there? K1 will be h times f of x naught y naught. And what will be k2? k2 क्या होगा? h times f of x1 y1, right? Is it clear? f of x1 y1, where ये जो y1 है ये कहां से आ रहा है? This y1 will be by Euler, है ना? Now if you want to find the second ordinate by RK, then what that will be? y2 will be equals to y1 plus 1 by 2 times the same thing, k1 and k2, average of k1 and k2, right? But here now the formulas for k1 and k2 are different than these two. समझ रहे हो बात को? So k1 will be what then? k1 will be h times now f of x1 y1, isn't it? And k2 will be what? h times f of x2 y2. तो ये y2 का वैल्यू कहां से आएगा फिर? Yes, this y2 value will be, अभी ये जो y1 का वैल्यू आएगा आपको यहां से, ये आपका फिक्स वैल्यू होगा टू सब्स्टिट्यूट इनटू दिस फॉर k1. बट y2 का जो वैल्यू होगा ये कहां से आएगा आपको बताओ? y2 विल बी बाय सेम थिंग, ऑयलर. ऑयलर से y2 का फॉर्मूला क्या है? y2 इज इक्वल्स टू y1 प्लस h f ऑफ x1 y1. क्लियर है सबको? यू विल गेट y2 बाय दिस, एंड देन उसको यहां सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, एंड देन यू विल हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ f ऑफ x2 y2, एंड दैट विल बी योर k2. Hello, is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So by this way you'll have to find the two k's and then substitute both the k's here to get the required ordinate. इसी के बेस पे y3 क्या होगा? y3 will be y2 plus average of k1 and k2. And what is the value of k1 then for third ordinate? k1 will be equals to h times f of x2 y2, and k2 will be h times f of x3 y3, where y3 will be obtained by Euler's, isn't it? And so on. So this is all about second order RK method. K को हम कभी कभी कुत्ता भी बोलते हैं, 2 कुत्ता, 4 कुत्ता, ऐसे, isn't it? So Next is fourth order RK method. Now I'm going to discuss only formulas. Example will be discussing in next lecture. Fourth order RK. So directly the formula for fourth order RK is, suppose if we have given x0, y0, with the help of x0, y0, the first value of ordinate y1 will be y0 plus 1 by 6 times k1 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 प्लस k4. और आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि k1
असं मी ना वेगळं स्टेटमेंट घेतलं, मस्तानी सारखं घेतलं नाही का या, पण ते मस्तानी पण नाहीये, पण ते मस्तानी अख्खा ड्रेस तसाच.
सगळ्यांनी ऐकून घ्या गुपचूप. झालं का? आय थिंक संपलंय वाटतं. Right? So k1 will be what then? Here in this case, k1 will be h times function of function at x0, y0. k2 क्या होगा? h times function at, यहाँ थोड़ा सा change है. The values of k1 will be h times function at x0, y0. k2 will be equals to h times function at, let me see, check the values. k2 will be equals to h times function of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. ये जो k1 आ रहा है ना, इसको यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है आपको, y0 plus k1 by 2 ऐसे. k3 will be equals to h times f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2. सिर्फ यहां चेंज होगा. And k4 will be equals to h times f of x0 plus h, y0 plus k3. That's it. So you'll have to find these 4 k's and then substitute into the formula. That will be your required ordinate. Clear है सबको? And this is very, very important. In the previous pattern also, in 2015 pattern, there were compulsory question on this RK method, fourth order RK method. The question will be like this: evaluate using fourth order RK method. तो आपको जितने ऑर्डिनेट तक जाना है उतने ऑर्डिनेट के लिए k का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा आपको. मतलब फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डिनेट दिस आर ki's, फॉर सेकेंड ऑर्डिनेट द ki's वैल्यूज क्या होगा, k2 क्या होगा, सॉरी k1 क्या होगा सेकेंड ऑर्डिनेट के लिए, h टाइम्स f ऑफ x1 y1. एंड उसी के अराउंड आपको मतलब k2 क्या होगा, h टाइम्स f ऑफ x1 प्लस h बाई 2, y1 प्लस k1 बाई 2, है ना. k3 विल बी h टाइम्स f ऑफ x1 प्लस h बाई 2, y1 प्लस k2 बाई 2 एंड सो ऑन. ऐसे मतलब आप जो ऑर्डिनेट का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको फॉर्मूला लिखना पड़ेगा. क्लियर है सबको? एवरीवन, इज देयर एनी डाउट विद द फॉर्मूलाज फॉर सेकंड ऑर्डर एंड फोर्थ ऑर्डर ऑफ आरके मेथड? Please reply. Do reply in chat box if you have any technical problem.
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to stop now because we exceed the time also, and we'll discuss the examples on this RK method and one more new method introduced in your syllabus from this 2019 pattern, that is predictor corrector method, that we'll discuss in tomorrow's lecture. Okay. This was not there in the previous pattern. Okay then. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.